So what's interesting about AI, in our survey of the Tech Vision this year, we found that 75% of executives, 75% said that they don't start aggressively deploying AI, moving from this experimentation into automation, but fully scaling it across their enterprise in all parts, that they will be out of business by 2025.
Wow.
I think that says a lot about how we're viewing AI, how AI needs to be embedded throughout, and it can't just be on the edges, it can't be a pilot, and it can't just be automation.
I think what you said is absolutely right. I mean, it's first show that AI has picked up like crazy in every industry, every geographies all over the world. But I think what's interesting, what you said is just, it's not only remote process automation or automating some task here. It's really to build basically this collaboration between human and machine that we're looking for, and AI can do much more than that. So one thing that we're doing in our labs in Bangalore, we're really working on this explainable AI, which I think is a very important aspect of artificial intelligence. And for this, I mean, we're mixing a lot of work through semantic knowledge graph with machine learning, typical things that we see.
We've said human-centered design for a while, right? But what do we really mean by that? Like, take the technology, make it work in a contextual awareness way for the human, really respect where they are, respect their needs, their values. And I think the next level AI, not only for businesses, but for society, is when we look at AI in the context of what is the business value we want to not only create for the business, what are the values of the consumers that we are serving and our citizens, and how do we make sure both of those are fit? And that to me is next level AI.
I think I would like to add one more thing, is just the fact that people got also more accustomed to use those virtual assistants. I mean, it's like if you look at the Alexa of this world, at the Google Assistant, many people have one in their house, and they tend to learn about how to interact with those systems, even though they like those systems to be much more adaptive to them.
I think what's interesting too is we're talking about a world where AI needs to learn from humans. So we are teaching trainers, sustainers, explainers, as we've said in a recent book. And that is what the coexistence, the symbiosis is. The AI is not going to get it done alone. We're not going to get it done alone. It requires both of us to improve, conditions, improve business, and improve society.